Jordan.
Oh, the call,
Yeah.
what do you call that thing, John? It goes on the back and you turn it? Like to wind it up?